Good morning, students. So, in this part, we will discuss about the suburbanization. Okay, so what is this? So, now this is a concept. Firstly, need to know the meaning of urbanization. What is urbanization? So, it is like urban population according proportion increase करते हैं. Means किसी place में there is 40% people were urbanized, means involved in non agricultural activities, क्योंकि वो agriculture activity नहीं करते हैं. Now 60% people are involved in this activity. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, इंक्रीमेंट हो गया. मीन्स 60% people are involved in this activity, non agricultural activity. मीन्स इंक्रीज हो गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, यू कैन सी पीपल इंक्रीज हो गए, परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हो गए, दोज हु आर डूइंग नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटी. सो दैट प्लेस इज अंडर गोइंग urbanization. Okay, now what is suburbanization? Now I'll talk about the suburbanization. Suppose there is an area, like there is an area. Okay, and here are many buildings. यहाँ पे you can see there are many, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी buildings हैं, roads हैं, you can see everything, all the facilities are there, but then the population is very high. They used to stuck in traffic. दे आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम, घंटों घंटों वो सड़क में, रोड पे ट्रैफिक में फंस जाते हैं. सो टू फाइंड एंड टू गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम दिस कंसेशन, पीपल यूज टू गो आउट. तो पीपल क्या करते हैं, इससे बाहर जाके, ओके, आउटस्कर्ट्स एरिया में जा कर के दे स्टार्टेड टू सेटल इन दिस एरिया. वाई? बिकॉज पीपल गेट एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस, खुली जगह उन्हें मिलेगी. ठीक है, ट्रैफिक की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, पॉपुलेशन जो है ओपन एरिया होगा, पॉपुलेशन कम होगी. सो हियर इज़ द बेटर एनवायरनमेंट फॉर पीपल अफोर्ड सच काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, देर आर जनरली पीपल हु हैव हायर इनकम. और ये बाहर कौन लोग जा कर के रहेंगे, आउटस्कर्ट्स एरिया में, जिनके पास बहुत पैसा है. ठीक है, दोज whose income is so high. So this is called suburbs. Okay, this is called suburbs, urbs. Clear? And the process, जिस प्रोसेस से वो यहाँ पर क्यों जाके के सेटल हो रहे हैं, the process go to this called suburbanization. Clear, student? So this is called suburbanization. Now we'll talk about the urban settlement. Now what is urban settlement? Here it has written about the settlements, because here students, here we can see types and patterns of settlements. It has mentioned here types and patterns of settlements. So here you can see there are mainly two types of patterns. First is compact or nucleated settlements, and another one is dispersed settlements. Okay, so it is there are related to the position of settlements. These two patterns, these are related to the position, कि वो किस पोजीशन में जो है सेटल्ड होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज compact or nucleated settlements. Suppose this is an area, okay, and all the settlements in an area. So this type of population like this, कि ये सब के सब जो हैं एक साथ एक जगह पे क्या कर रहे हैं, रह रहे हैं. Here you can see बहुत कंजस्टेड वे पे रह रहे हैं. So all the settlements in an area. So this type of population, we can see this type of settlements where people are involved in same kind of occupation. Okay, and for example iron and steel industry उसके आसपास है. ठीक है, सो एंड दीज ऑल पीपल डू जॉब हियर, सब के सब उस इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नाउ कॉल्ड कॉम्पैक्ट. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, ये सारे के सारे कॉम्पैक्ट में रह रहे हैं, एक साथ रह रहे हैं. because these are having same occupation. Okay, so this is called compact or nucleated settlements. Now second one is dispersed settlements. Disperse, as the name suggests, disperse means बिखरा हुआ. Okay, दूर दूर. So you can see gap between the settlements. Okay, you can see mostly in hilly areas कि कुछ मकान यहाँ है, कुछ मकान यहाँ है. So you can see ये भी एक क्या है, dispersed settlement है. Clear? You can see gap here, you can see this, कुछ buildings यहाँ होंगी, कुछ यहाँ होंगी, कुछ यहाँ होंगी, कुछ यहाँ होंगी. So this is called dispersed settlements. Got it, everyone? Now next is rural settlements. Next is rural settlements. So where maximum people involved in agriculture. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. Maximum people who involved in agriculture, and these people used to depends on like water supply, land, uplands. Uplands means this is a river. दिस इज़ द एरिया वे रिवर, यहाँ पे से आपकी अपलैंड्स हैं, यू कैन सी. और ये जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है, पीपल यूज टू लिव इन दिस एरिया क्योंकि यहाँ पे उनको they are feeling safe. Clear? And building materials, these are the basic components, building materials. And then next is defense. How defense is also important in rural settlements, because here they have to, suppose there is a valley, okay, and here you can see river, so people used to live in this area. Okay, so here you can see, suppose in this area, in between this area people feel protective. Clear? Next is planned settlements. Planned settlements means fertile lands, rivers. Some of the rural settlements are planned क्योंकि वो प्लान करके उस जगह पे रहते हैं जहाँ पे इनको completely facilities, they feel they have facilities then, and that in that area they wanted to live. Okay, next is rural settlements pattern. Rural settlements pattern, here this one is okay. So patterns we can see in rural areas, like first is setting. Okay, first is setting. So environment, वहाँ की physical features कैसे हैं, वहाँ का environment कैसा है, according to this people used to live. Second is function, basic of functions. So there may be farming village, fishermen's villages, okay, lumberjack villages, pastoral villages, etc. These are the villages based on functions, means occupation near industries. सपोज वो जिस काम को करते हैं उसके आसपास वो एरिया हो जहाँ पे वो वर्क कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज शेप. शेप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, शेप में वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द लाइनर पैटर्न. लाइनर पैटर्न, you can see line. Okay, line means in a living, suppose in lining you can see, suppose there is a river, there is a road, कुछ भी, railway track, you can see. So इसके आसपास जो settlements होते हैं उनको liner settlements कहा जाता है. Okay, this is called liner settlements. Maybe it can be road, maybe it can be railway track, maybe it can be river. Clear, student? And next is rectangular pattern. Rectangular pattern में generally it is a kind of planned settlements. Okay, it is a kind of planned settlements. So it can be, say, rectangular patterns. Clear? Next is circular. So you can see in this picture everything is mentioned here: liner, cross-shaped pattern, star-shaped pattern, T-shaped, circular, and double pattern. So I'll just explain it. Circular pattern. Circular patterns means जो कि आपके सर्कुलर में होता है, ठीक है, इन सर्कल. पीपल यूज टू लिव लाइक दिस, मे बी पॉन्ड हो, पॉन्ड के चारों तरफ वो रह रहे हो। एंड नेक्स्ट इज स्टार लाइक शेप पैटर्न। स्टार, सपोज आपका this is a kind of road and people used to live here in this area, so it can be say star shaped. Okay, then T, Y and X, T shaped, Y shaped and cross shaped. So T shaped means suppose आपकी road है, okay, road like this, so people used to live in the side area, so it is called T shaped settlements. And you can see also near your school, General BC Joshi School, this area, and here is the road. ओके, एक रोड आपकी सीधी चली जाती है, फिर एक रोड यहाँ से कट जाती है, तो हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी वाई शेप्ड सेटलमेंट्स यू कैन सी हियर. Understood? Okay, so according to the shape human people used to live, it is called settlements. Okay, so different site you like double village. One more point is remaining here. Yeah, this is double village. Double village means, for example, there is a broad river. Okay, this is a broad river. उसके जो साइड में है, lots of settlements are there and they both are interrelated through the boat, maybe through the bridge. Okay, or they can go from one side to another side, so it is called double village. Okay, so this was the part. Thank you so much. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेंगे.